So now I've kind of determined the kind of people I want to work with. I've determined the kind of shop I want to be. I need to build that culture so that experience that the customer has in. So am I a modern, knowledge-based? It's funny to me, a lot of shop owners, they'll talk about their knowledge and the equipment, and we have the latest and we have the greatest education. And then they'll run, a free check engine light diagnostic or something. You're sending a wrong message, and you're confusing the person that you're dealing with. Okay. And so are we client focused? Are we women friendly? Are we convenience driven? Are we organized and efficient? We want our customers to believe that they're going to get their car today. We want our customers to believe that we're going to keep their car clean. They walk into our office and there's a pile of used parts and that the parts guys haven't picked up yet, and it's not very organized. There's a bunch of papers all unorganized on the service advisor's counter. What message are we sending, right? We need to send a message that's consistent with who we want to attract and who we want to be. So are we results? Are we high production? High production, you're going to get, in most cases, it is our intent to get the car out today, because that today is one of the leading things for a value-based client. Is I need my vehicle. I'm willing to pay more, but I need my vehicle, right? So I need to look at what is a discount client, what do they want, and what's going to attract them? And then what's a value relationship-based client, what do they want, what's going to attract them? Then I'm going to bring my marketing kind of in line with that.